Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make my creamy oven baked fish pie. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first person to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. And to my returning subscribers, I so much appreciate. Thank you, and let's get started. To begin, in a bowl, add in all-purpose flour, some salt, nutmeg powder, baking powder. Now mix to combine. Now it is time to add in all the wet ingredients, which I started by adding in the butter. With my clean hands, I mix it until it is well combined. Once done, I crack in 1 egg. Now went ahead to mix until it is well combined. Once that is achieved, I added in some milk bit by bit and keep mixing until a dough is completely formed. As you can see, the dough is well formed. So I went ahead to wrap the dough and place it in the refrigerator for about 25 to 30 minutes. Next, for this recipe, I'll be using 2 grilled mackerel fish. So I went ahead to start deboning the fish. At this point, you need to be very patient taking out the bones, especially if kids will be eating it, okay? As you can see, I'm done deboning the fish, so I went ahead to mash the fish using fork. You can also use potato masher, and once done, you set it aside. Next, for the fish pie filling, now go ahead and add in some vegetable oil into the pan and allow it to heat up. Once that is done, add in some salt, add in your diced onions, stir fry for like 2 minutes. Now go ahead and add in your clean diced potatoes, stir for some minutes. Now add in your ginger and garlic paste. Add in your shredded carrots, mix to combine. Now go ahead and season with some oregano, thyme, curry powder, paprika powder, season cubes. Now mix to combine. Add in the mashed fish, stir to combine. Add in the red bell pepper, mix to combine, stir. Next, in a small bowl or plate, I added in some flour. Now went ahead to dissolve it with some water. As you can see, it is well dissolved. Next, I added in little water. Give it a stir. Then add in the flour mixture, give it a stir. This process makes the filling creamy and holds together to prevent drying up during baking. Now cover the pot until it is well cooked. After some minutes now, let's check on the fish pie filling. Yeah, as you can see, it is done. Stir and turn up the heat. Set it aside and let it cool down. Next, I sprinkle some flour on my work surface. This is how my fish pie fillings looks like after cooling down. Now I went ahead and placed my dough on my work surface and start to roll it out to achieve a 5 mm thickness. Okay. Next, use a cutter. It can be a small pot cover or a meat pie cutter. Feel free to use any cutter of your choice. Yeah, I'm using my small pot cover. Now I went ahead and placed the pot cover on a dough to cut the dough into cycle. Yeah, then fill the middle with the fish filling and brush the inside with some egg wash. Once I'm done, I close the dough using a fork to seal edges. Look at how it looks after sealing it. So I repeated this process until I use up the dough. Next, in a baking pan, line with a baking sheet. Place the pies on the baking pan. Once done, go ahead and brush the top part of the dough with the egg wash. Now pinch with a fork. Once done, place in the oven and bake for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on the type of oven you are using, or until it is golden. Okay. After some minutes now, our fish pie is ready, and let it cool down a little, and it looks so appetizing, guys. Now let's see how the inside looks like. Yeah, it is so creamy, right? Wow, it tasted so super delicious and yummy-licious. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.